Welcome back in this video series by Sagar Kadam Sir Engineering Academy that guaranteed you will clear very difficult concept of mechanics without any doubt. As under this series, in this video we are going to discuss concept of centripetal force. Centripetal force, centrifugal force are very important in when body, especially car, train moving along a curve path. While designing this curve path in engineering, while designing roads, we use this concept of centripetal force and centrifugal force. So to clear centrifugal force, we have to clear first of all centripetal force. So for that, as we have body is moving along a circular path with velocity 10 meter per second. So car body, let's say, moving along a circular path with how much velocity? 10 meter per second. But when it moves along a circular path, it have tendency to move along a tangent. It got a tendency to move along a tangent. Therefore, it try to move along a tangent. As like this, it moves along a tangent with how much velocity? 10 meter per second. With velocity how much? 10 meter per second. Got it? Everyone what I am saying? So like this, as velocity, with this velocity, that body moving along a circular path. Now tell me, is this velocity constant? 10 meter per second throughout? Yes, it is a constant in magnitude. But we know that velocity is vector quantity. It got a magnitude as well as a direction. Direction upward, left, downward, right. So at every point of its motion, direction of velocity changes. Even though its magnitude remains same. Getting everyone what I am saying? Okay, velocity's magnitude remains same. But at every point of its motion, direction what? Changes. Understood? It indicates there is a change in velocity when body moves along a circular path. This says when body moves along a circular path, direction of velocity changes at every instant of its motion. Now, this change made by whom? As Newton's first law say, this change is made by a force. When body moves along a circular path, as per Newton's first law, it is acted upon by a force which always act along a radius and towards center. Acted upon by a force which always act along a radius and towards center. And function of this force change direction of the velocity by keeping its magnitude constant. A centripetal force is a force which change direction of velocity by keeping its magnitude constant when body moves along a circular path. Understood what I am saying? And this force is called as what? Centripetal force, which act along radius and towards center, whose function change the direction of velocity by keeping magnitude constant. Clear concept? As body is moving along a circular path with velocity 10 meter per second, but at every instant it try to move along a tangent. Therefore, at every point of motion, direction of velocity changes. Means there is change in velocity. Newton's first law says that change made by a force when body moves along a circular path, that force we say centripetal force, whose function change direction of velocity by keeping a speed constant. Understood? Getting everyone? When body moves along a circular path, it acted upon by centripetal force, which act along radius and towards center of curve path, whose function change direction of velocity by keeping magnitude constant. Okay, hope so you understood this theory part. If you understood, don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. There are number of numericals on mechanics, on circular motion in my app. In a description, that link of app is given. Go to that app and study the complete mechanics thoroughly. Thank you very much.